What's cooking, foodies? Today we're making a 3-cheese chicken penne with a bruschetta tomato topping. So easy, so delicious. So let's get started. For your ingredients, you will need 1 chicken breast per person, 1 pound penne pasta, 1 clove garlic, 1/4 cup butter, half a cup grated Parmesan, half a cup grated Romano, 1/4 grated Asiago cheese, and 1 cup heavy cream. For your bruschetta topping, you will need 4 tablespoons olive oil, 4 large tomatoes, 8 basil leaves, 2 garlic cloves, and salt to taste. In a pan on low heat, add 4 tablespoons olive oil, 2 minced garlic cloves. You'll want to warm this till fragrant, about 5 minutes, then set aside to cool. Cut your tomatoes into wedges and scrape out the seeds, as you do not want your bruschetta watery. Next, dice up your tomatoes. Take your basil leaves and roll them up to slice and add to your tomatoes. Pour your garlic-infused olive oil over your tomatoes and basil and toss them together to coat. Cover and set aside. Coat your chicken breasts in olive oil, salt, and pepper. Heat cast iron pan on high heat, place chicken in, and turn your heat immediately down to medium heat. Cook for 3.5 to 4 minutes, then flip, transfer to the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the thermometer reads internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll take them out, cover, and set aside. To a cast iron pan on low heat, add butter and cream, allow to melt and warm. Season with salt and pepper. Add your garlic. Add your Parmesan, your Romano cheese, and Asiago cheese. Add your pasta to 6 quarts of water. You will want to add salt to your pasta. Add a good amount, that way it flavors your pasta. Bring to a boil for about 12 minutes and strain. Now you're going to want to slice up your chicken and assemble your dish. All right, now our pasta's finished, so we're gonna go ahead and take a taste test here. I like to add just a little bit more Parmesan on mine. So I'll go ahead and take a taste. It smells super delicious. Get a piece of chicken here. Thank you for watching. For more videos, press the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.